Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Thinkific affiliate program step by step clearly. To get started with the Thinkific affiliate program, visit the Thinkific website. Scroll down to the footer section and look for the affiliates link. Click on the affiliates link to open the affiliate program page. Here, you'll find an overview of the affiliate program along with its benefits. Look for the sign up button on the affiliate program page. Click the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a new page where you need to fill in your personal details. Enter your full name in the designated field. Next, provide your email address. Create a strong password for your affiliate account. After filling out the personal details, find the section where you can describe your promotional methods. Select how you plan to promote Thinkific through various options. Make sure to read the terms and conditions of the affiliate program. Once you've read and agreed to the terms, check the box confirming your agreement. Now, click on the Submit button to send your application. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after submitting your details. Check your inbox for the confirmation email from Thinkific. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. This action will verify your email address and activate your affiliate account. After verification, log into your Thinkific affiliate account using your email and password. Explore the dashboard to understand the tools and resources available for affiliates. Look for your unique affiliate link on the dashboard. This link is what you will use to promote Thinkific. Copy your affiliate link to share it with your audience. You can now start promoting Thinkific and earning commissions. Regularly check your affiliate dashboard for updates on your earnings and referral statistics. Engage with the community and use available resources to maximize your success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.